Hi guys, and welcome back to Tips and Bips, and today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq100. However, before I get started, if you haven't done so already, please feel free to join my Telegram group where I share market research, analysis and trading signals and entries. You can join by scanning the QR code on your screen now, and also the link is in the description of this video. Okay, moving back onto the Nasdaq100, price is currently at just shy of $11,700, and we have seen a very negative session, which, you know, is kind of as we anticipated. Can we see a further break past our 200-day EMAs? Were the questions we asked yesterday, and no, we could not. You know, we haven't seen a bearish candle as such, but it has finished red and in the red, and we have seen yesterday's session be quite an uncertain session, to say. It hasn't given us too much information on where we are going, but as I did mention, no, we are continuing in this recession, which does inevitably mean that the Nasdaq100 is going to go down and plummet. The reason you've seen these significant bull rallies is, one, we're at a key level on the Fibonacci retracement from our COVID lows to our COVID highs, which is, you know, our 0.6 and 0.5, which is considered, you know, two of the keyest levels in the Fibonacci retracement. You know, when you draw it out from highs to lows or lows to highs. And I would consider this, you know, a break past the 0.5. So if we saw another bullish candle today, I would say, you know, we could go and push our further Fibonacci level at 0.3. However, we haven't seen that, and we have seen some, you know, negativity. And the only real reason why we've seen this, you know, massive bull run is, one, that it's such a discounted price on the Nasdaq100, which is a fantastic investment opportunity. I'm an investor myself, and this is another area where I invested. And I think it's a fantastic opportunity for other investors. And again, here on Friday the 4th of November was a fantastic rejection, not only from our 0.6 Fibonacci, but from our short-term downward trend line, which we got a retest on both. So if you're interested in any signals at all, like I said, feel free to join my Telegram group where I share signals, entries, research and analysis. We have had the crypto markets, you know, being very volatile, extremely volatile in recent sessions, and that is why there has been a bit of a bull run here in gold and a lot of other stocks, as well as investors are looking to invest their money elsewhere into more reliable and more steady, areas as such. However, what we're seeing now is, you know, the acceptance and digestion from all of that. You know, a lot of people could be just selling to, you know, take their gains quickly, but we have touched our 200-day EMA, which we do often test and get some form of rejection from, and that's exactly what we're seeing now. For myself, I personally would like to see a very bearish candle today at our 0.5 fib, you know, potentially testing our 200-day EMA again, and then I'll be looking at a shorting opportunity. And as I mentioned, I think this 0.6, 0.5 Fibonacci will be a level we consolidate around for some time. Whether we can push past our 200-day EMA, that will be all dependent on any fundamentals that come out. At the moment, you know, long term, obviously for the Nasdaq100, extremely bullish. We're on a very great discount, but at the moment we are still in a recession. So until any fundamentals change, I just think we're going to continue to consolidate around this area where investors cannot ignore the discounted price, and where, you know, we do understand we are still in a recession, so price cannot drive too high.